Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. It's day 4 of my 12 Days of Christmas cookies, and today we're making the cutest little treats, Christmas Snowball Cookies. These buttery shortbread-style cookies are packed with chopped pecans, tinted red or green, and rolled in powdered sugar to look like tiny snowballs. Now let's get baking. We'll start by beating 1 cup of softened butter with a half a cup of powdered sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and beat until cookie dough begins to form. Next, add 1 cup of chopped pecans and mix again. Divide the cookie dough into thirds. Mix red food coloring with 1/3. Mix green food coloring with 1/3 and leave the final third without color. Use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough and roll the dough between your hands to make 1-inch balls. Place the cookie dough balls on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake the cookies at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, then remove from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. Add some powdered sugar to a bowl and place the warm cookies in the sugar, turning to coat. Place the cookies back on the baking sheet or on a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you love these Christmas snowball cookies. Don't forget, this is only day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas cookies, so make sure you're subscribed and have turned on notifications. See you next time!